Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to make milkshake and here we go. So I have already poured down the packet milk. You can use any milk, either cow milk or powder milk. Boil the milk. Mainly what we need is some biscuits, some chocolates and some sweets. Our third step is to break down the chocolates and biscuits into small pieces. You can also add some kind of fruits or something else which you like to enhance the taste. So I am adding one apple. So you need to cut the apple into small pieces. After cutting down the apples into pieces, you need to add this to the mixture of the broken chocolates and biscuits. Now I am mixing this together from the end to the edge. Need to add some milk. We need to mix it with the help of mixer. Now our milkshake with apple is ready to serve. So here we go.